Hello friends, if you are a student and you want to make money online without any investment, then in video I will show you a very simple way of how you can make money by working in hour a day. Today is the best resources become YouTube fully support if you and you can only work 1 hour a day on YouTube, create videos, and soon you will be available to make money from YouTube without any work, without just 3 months to 6 months. If you don't know how to make a video, I will teach you how in the next video. I will teach you in the next video. You will find the link in the comment box. Now you join this video and see how you can create a video for your channel, how create a video for earning. Very simple way to online earning is YouTube is a fully supported by a new creator. Now you can join the YouTube today. You join the YouTube for a creation and create videos, vlogs, any more topic. Which topic do you like? This is your choice, but you still to working daily 1 hour, still working and focus on your target. Just 3 to 6 months. After 6 months you will be a big person. You will be earn daily just to $20 monthly, 30, 300, $600 easily. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more information.